Today I'm gonna say you something that might make you feel uncomfortable. AI is replacing job, not someday, right now. And the five jobs I'm about to show you, companies are already replacing them with AI. Some of the most common jobs on planet, jobs that millions of people do, are being done by AI. Faster, cheaper, and honestly better. And if your job is on the list, staying quiet about it is honestly worst decision you can make. And here is the truth nobody tells you. The people who understand how this is happening, they are not scared. They are winning. In the next 6 months, I'm gonna show you which jobs exactly are on the chopping block and most importantly, what we should do to stay on the winning side of that ship. In the next 6 months, I'm gonna show you exactly which five jobs are on the chopping block and what we should do to stay on the winning side of that ship. Let's get into it. Real quick, I have been studying and using AI tools for past couple of months and know what works, what hype, and what doesn't work, and what genuinely changing how people work and make money online. And today I'm giving you the exact picture. No fluff, no gatekeeping. Let's get into it. So here is what happening right now. Companies are not waiting AI to get better. They are already using AI to cut cost, and the jobs that are first in line are the ones that involve repetitive tasks, following instructions and producing output that follows same instructions. Now, I want to be clear about something. This is not about being anti AI. This is about being smart about AI. Because of every job that AI is replacing, there is a smarter version of that same role where someone who understands AI are making more money with doing less work. That's what I want for you. Let's go through all five, and for each one, I'm gonna tell you what AI is replacing and what smart move looks like. Number one, receptionist. I know this one tough to hear, but AI phone systems and booking tools are generally replacing front desk receptionists from businesses.
Tools like Go High Level and Vapi can answer calls, book appointments, answer FAQs, and route calls all without a human. Now, I want to be clear about this one. This doesn't mean every receptionist job is gone tomorrow, especially in places where the human connection matters, like hospitals and mental health offices. The human touch still matters there.
But the move, if you're in the place, is to add up skills that AI cannot replace. Think office management, client relationships management, and learning the very AI tools that companies are using. Because someone has to manage those systems, it might as well be for you. Number two, this is wild. AI support agent. This is happening at massive scale right now. Companies are plugging in AI tools like Go High Level, and these tools are handling thousands of queries without a single human touch.
The AI reads the question, it checks the database, it gives an answer faster than any human, 24 hours a day. Now, does this mean all support jobs are gone? No. But entry-level script following support roles, those are being cut hard. The smart move here, if you're in customer support, start learning how to set up and manage these AI systems. Not just to respond to tickets, companies still need humans who can train, monitor, and improve the AI. That's a completely different and better paying role.
Alright, number three, graphic designing. And before graphic designing, come for me in the comment. Hear me out. Basic graphic designing work, social media posts, ad banners, and flyer templates AI is doing right now.
You type a prompt, boom, a full design graphic in 10 seconds. And businesses that were paying entry level designing for this kind of work, yeah, they have noticed. But the designers who are absolutely crushing it right now are the ones using AI for the fast, repetitive stuff and spending their real energy on high level creative work. They are producing three times the output in half the time. That's a level up.
Stay with me because number four is one of the most people don't even think about this. This is web developer, especially ones with basic website design. If someone's job is building simple landing pages, WordPress sites, or basic front-end templates, AI can literally do it now.
You describe what you want and it builds it clean, functional, no code needed. Now, complex web apps, custom backend system architecture, he is not replacing that anytime soon. But the person who charges $800 to build a basic 5-page website, that market is shrinking fast. The move here is to go deeper into what AI can't do. Complex builds, AI integrations, custom functionality. That's a whole new business model that didn't exist 2 years ago, right?
Number 5, content writing and copywriting. Now look, if your job is writing simple blog posts, product descriptions, or basic marketing emails, AI is already doing that. Tools like ChatGPT or Cloud can write 1,000 word blog posts in under 30 seconds.
See that done in seconds. Businesses that used to pay writers $300 for a blog post, they are not doing that anymore. But here's the flip side. The writers who are winning right now, they are using AI to write faster and they are charging for strategy, editing, and brand voice. The stuff AI still gets wrong. Real talk, if you're a writer, stop competing with AI. Start using it like a junior assistant. That's the move.
Okay, so that's all 5. Here's the thing I keep saying over and over again. The people who are panicking about AI are the ones who watching AI happens to them. And the people who are winning AI, they made a simple shift. They stopped ignoring AI, picked one AI tool, start learning it for their specific job, and they are doing work of 2 to 3 people. The gap between these two groups is just knowledge. That's it. So, real quick, here is what I want you to walk away with them. Number one, is replacing repetitive pattern based parts of these jobs. Number two, the old themselves is not dying. The old way of doing that jobs is dying. Number three, the people who learn to use AI are gonna be more valuable, not less. So the question isn't will AI take my job? The real question is am I gonna be the person who uses AI or the person who replaced by someone who does? That's your choice. And honestly, if you watch this whole video, you already know which side you are on. If this video helped you, click the subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one.